Hey, today we are going to be trying the new Sweetarts rope. These are cherry filled in the center, but they are sour apple. So the nutritional information on this, it has 22 carbs, 14 sugars, 0 protein, 0 fat. You can go ahead and take a look at that if you like. This is the share pack. I love the regular cherry ropes. I also love the strawberry ropes, so we're gonna get into these and see how good they taste. They're actually a little bit shorter than the average rope. It's got the cherry filling on the inside. It smells like sour apple. So the outside has a sour apple taste, and then as you get into the inside, you feel and taste that chewy cherry center. Super good. I love this because it's not too overwhelmingly sweet. It's got a nice subtle apple flavor. If I start eating candy again, I'll definitely buy some of these. And you start to feel a sugar rush too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so these are pretty good. I would give them a thumbs up. I'd probably give them about a 4.5 out of 5 stars on candy, as well as not being too overwhelming, but tasting really good. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.